your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. I'm rooted in your center. For your very eyes, where you lead, I enter. I know they think twice. The one who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Don't want for nothing cause you are enough. Cause the world offers nothing that you haven't already given.
I cannot be timid, getting bolder every day. Spending more time listening and watching what I say. When you see success, the people may line up to hate. I'm at the table, he prepared, and I'm filling up my plate. And yes, I let him lead me through the valley. Yes, I let him lead me through the storms. And even when they told me that I will be alone, he told me that I'm exactly where I belong.
One who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Joy like a river, joy with it flow like water. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. Joy we no get the barrier, it bust me to love. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. This kind of joy, how I want to explain, oh. Money no fee obtain, oh. Joy in the midst of the big day, oh. It is totally my body, not the matter within my mind now. When challenges come, you say look away and count it all joy now. So I trust your word for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, morning of my life. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning. Now the days are gone. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Father, yes, you fill my heart's desires. Oh, I've come to find you are the treasure. Don't be Gucci or Armani, you be the one I really need. You be the one for me, you be the one in me. Give me so much peace, you put my mind at ease. Oh, this kind of joy, how I want to explain, oh. Money no fee obtain, oh. Joy in the midst of the big day, oh. It is totally my body, not the matter within my mind now. When challenges come, you say look away and count it all joy now. So I trust your word for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, morning of my life. My heart is singing, hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning. Now the days are gone. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Wonderful Savior, I love you. I know, sure that your way for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade now. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here.
What's up, chat? Good morning, gang. How you guys doing? Let me see some energies in the chat. A blessed Thursday for everybody.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today, and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays, Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang, and that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain, and any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarlane, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what.
Yo, chat, what's up? What's up? Good morning.
No matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe.
Happy Thursday, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. What's up?
Especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep
God knows what. You're gonna be alright.
I've always believed in myself, and I always tried to be the best I could be.
Yes, sir.
It stirs me as a kid. When
Yes, sir.
I went through 3 titles and about 100 different emotions. And I just remember a conversation I had with Nip when he was doing Perfect 10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith of a Mustard Seed. And at that very moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what Faith of a Mustard Seed.
Alrighty, gang. What's up? Good morning. Damn, look at that push. 2,460 pip. Would you look at that? The orders, oh, nice. I mean, pretty nice here. Breakout. Break and retest. Yeah. What's up? What's up? So let me do top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame and open of the candle. Yeah. So look at this. Monthly candle. What's up, Rovius? How you doing? So the monthly candle, as you can see here, pretty much. I don't think if this gonna be the top wick already, but yeah, because we moved down pretty heavy today. 2,400 pip. Oh, this is Trump spoke or what? Really? Oh yeah, 5 a.m. Oh, makes sense. Let me see first. Operation Iran conclude. Yeah. So we talk about 2 to 3 weeks. The war is gonna be finished. Yeah, next 2 3 weeks. Run extremely hard over next 2 3 weeks. Damn. Yeah. So USD is in the. So technically, oil is pumping up. USD is pumping up too. So gold is pushing down. That's why. So daily time frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame. So, yeah, weekly still bullish here. Daily, as you can see here, we moved 2,400 pips, and let's see, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see, the 4-hour time frame here, we got structure. I'd say in the left hand side, we got new resistance form, right? Support form right here, and we have an impulsive move, Asian session move, right? So it's Asian session move right now. We are having rejections because we have resistance, previous resistance on the left hand side. So it's my retest now, and let's see if we can move up pretty heavy for the day. Let's see. We just hop onto the chart and look at what's happening on the market. So early, it's pretty clean to move down. Look at this, right? So right now I don't think that we can probably you know retest this high because right now we are in the bullish bearish trend. Daily time frame moves crazy, so we need a pullback. So it's a 4-hour pullback and probably shoot down once again here. 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes. Okay, we got a massive range here, chat. Look at this. Holy. So resistance level here. Right there. Probably support. We have minor levels here. 30 minutes clean. But I'm gonna mark this later on, right? So right now we are in this range. Holy, look at that range, man. How many people? Ooh, 1,000 pip range. Look at that. Minor levels. So let's mark this up. Minor levels here. Yeah. So this pretty much my zone, chat. So let's see if we can grab a potential buy to retest probably this or sales going. I like the sales now because we have a structure, We create some structure. So I like this. I like this already. What's up, Philip? How you doing? Love your cover photos. Thank you, bro. It's coming, AI. It's AI tool. What's up? What's up, everybody? Any questions? Let me know in the chat. Man, we are 16. We need 16 more subs. 16 more subs, man. 3 minutes for the candle to close. Early close too. No bottom wick. No bottom wick on the previous early candles. Boom, 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 boom. Damn, massive range. Look at that. Big candles once again here. Do you guys got trade yesterday? There's no trade for me yesterday. Don't like the price action. Look at the price action yesterday. Range, 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 push. Range, 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 push. I don't like this kind of rally moves. Shout out 10 viewers right now. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Make sure you drop a like here. Subs to the channel too. Drop a like and subs to the channel. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 1 minute 30 seconds here. Are we expecting to price go down again from the long week? Yeah, we might see retest here. Arlie has no bottom wick. Look at this. Pullback. It's a normal pullback, but we are in the bearish trend for the day because of this massive move towards to the downside. So we might retest that. So we might see this push down and pull back and push down once again. So candles structure needs to be done, right? So if this candle are, pushing up, closing like this, and probably like that, and then the next hourly close like this, and then bearish closure, push down, pretty heavy. We might see like this. But let's see now. 26 seconds here. No bearish closure yet. So there's no resistance form yet. We're gonna wait for a new resistance form. I wanna see the next candle might push 4677 here. I wanna see that top. Probably this, and then from here create a new resistance. Once we got a new resistance form, yeah, we're gonna ride the bus to go down. Any price here, 4658. As long as we create a new resistance, we're gonna ride the bus to go down. But right now, there's no bus to go down yet. So we're gonna wait for the bus to move to the south. Waiting for the bus. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the bus. Bus going to downtown. A red bus going to downtown, yeah. Do. Choo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Holy Goldie. Move casually. Look at this move, chat. Look at this melt. 5 a.m., right? Yeah, 5 a.m. melt. Look at that. Trump speak. If Trump says that, oh, US dollar is pumping up today. Ooh, gonna pump down. Gold's gonna pump down. How to spot liquidity? Liquidity. If we got a lot of volume, this is gonna be the liquidity. This one is liquidity. All the wicks is for me, all right, because there is type of trader that has a different perspective how they gonna approach liquidity. For me, this is gonna be liquidity grab, liquidity grab. Probably this is liquidity grab too, right? We need liquidity for us for the volume to move up or to move down, right? So let's say we are bearish for the day, right? So prices needs to move down like this, and some candles didn't push through. It rebroke the high first before moving down like this. So this means this candle grab liquidity here to move down even further, right? It's the same with Dubai. So if the candles are moving up like this, right? So this candle grab orders there, liquidity to move up, right? Continuation like this. The same with the bearish also. That's how I look for liquidity. Right, this closure, probably a liquidity grab to retest this high. Because right now, as you can see here, you need to ask yourself too. We got bearish trend here. It doesn't mean that we can buy until 4,800. No, you need to ask yourself. So right now, as you can see, we got bearish structure. Price still moving down. Though we got bullish closure here, new support form. Why the price is not moving down? Right? Because we are bearish. We got structure here. We got volume to push down here. You got new support form. Why this candle are not pushing through? Because you are moving down. We are moving down. So right now we need pullback, right? This is gonna be a pullback probably till 4677. And then from there, once we see top the candles like this and we see reactions, we might push down. Right? We might push heavy again. Sometimes Trump is the liquid man. True that. I mean, anything can say. Any president like U.S. President Trump, he's the one clicking the button, bro. Right? He's the one clicking those buttons. Crypto, gold, whatever market is that, he's the one controlling the market. Whatever he says, it will directly go through the market. He's the one controlling the world, bro. I told you that this war happening in the U.S. and Iran, Israel, it's all business. I'm blessed that I learned trading because right now I know what's happening in the world. I know that we are in the matrix. Guys, what's matrix? You guys can search what is matrix. Look at Chat GPT. What is matrix? And we are inside the matrix. See ya. How you doing? How you doing, bro? Got some buy today? Maybe, huh? You got impulse buy without any bottom wick. You like range 2 cells? Range 2 cells. Yeah, I like range 2 cells. I like. But if this candle close bearish, yeah, I might take cells. We still have range to move down here. This is minor levels. 4619. So yeah, we're gonna take that. I'm gonna take the bus to move down. Gotta take the bus to move down. So look at this, right? Look at this. How we write those liquidity. Rebroke the lows. Now if this candle rebroke the high, there's a high chance that the next candle will pops up here. Right, like this. Okay, boom boom. If this candle close bearish, yeah, I need to see this kind of closure. At least, yeah. We need to see that moving down. 30 minutes still open. Yeah, I know 30 minutes still open. See, look at this candles here on the left hand side. Look at this. No bottom wick. No bottom wick. The previous hourly has no bottom wick too. Right? So this candle might push down, grab the orders here, or react, or probably close bearish. Back in the range once again. Because look at this move here. Look at this left hand side move. We might see this once again here in the session. All right. Can go up. Probably. Yeah. Damn, Goldie. Goldie moved 2,460 pip hop in a day. Look at that. And then we have news later on tonight too. We got unemployment claims. Tomorrow, Friday. Oh, too many bank holidays tomorrow, chat. So if London sessions got range around, I'm gonna look for London session. If London session range around 10 a.m. 11, I'm not gonna stream. But if there I believe there is a lot of volume, you know, because US still open here. So let's see. Monday, ooh, Monday, too many bank holiday too. Tuesday, normal. Wednesday, normal. FOMC meetings on the Wednesday. Would you look at that? Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday, unemployment claims. CPI. Dang, too many. 5 minutes and 30 seconds here, gang. Ooh, Goldie is pushing down now. Heavy. Right? No, probably 30 minutes bottom wick. But yeah, let's see here. Candles are moving fast. Candles move 190 pips. Holy smokes. Right? Our 1 minute time frame move. How many pip? The big candles? 100 pip? What does this mean without bottom wick? So technically, if the candles open without any bottom wick, means there is a lot of volume, because you know this candle, let's say hourly candle, right? Look at this hourly candle. So it means, yes, we have a lot of volume to continue to push up, but there is a high chance that we can reject too and then grab orders down. So look at this hourly. So we don't have bottom wick. Let's say small bottom wick there, but consider it without any bottom wick. The candles are pushing up because we have a lot of volume. This candle can react too, can reject and flip. So if you are in the trade, right, without any bottom wick, and if it's not part of your plan, the candles are like this, pushing up, okay, you didn't take any profit, there is a high chance that this candle can flip and move down pretty heavy like this. Right? Because bottom wick is equals a range. So technically for me, wick is a liquidity, grabbing orders down to move up. So the high, the more we got more bottom wick, there is a high chance that once you got more bottom wick, look at this bottom wick, there is a high chance that the next candle has no business to go move back down once again. And 85, let's say 80% of candles has top wick and bottom wick. Look at that. Right? So makes sense. 85% of the candles have, yeah, true that. Thank you for that, Sia. Yeah, look at this, right? So this candle has bottom wick, steeper bottom wick. So this candle move technically has no business to move back down once again once the candle move up. Makes sense? Yeah. So if you are new to the live stream, yeah, make sure you hop on every single day. You're gonna learn a lot of things here. Minimum, probably give yourself a chance 6 months. Learn the strategy. Yeah, I know it will take time, but man, that's gonna work. There's no overnight success. All things need to be done with the hard work. Learning from your live. Yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you subs to the channel, all right? Subs to the channel, like the stream. Really, really appreciate that. Two minutes for the candle to close. Goldie, man, Goldie are reacting right now. Arlie still open here. 4 hours about to close in 46 minutes here. 6 months is a long time. Yeah, man. It is what it is. Yeah. 6 months is a long time, but man. Gonna tell you this, there's no overnight success. What's up, Reese? How you doing? Good day, good day. Did subs already? Yeah, thank you. All right, no closure here, chat. Man, don't like the closure on the 15. So we might wait for the next, probably 30 minutes time frame closure here. 30 minutes time frame closure now, right? How long did you study before you become profitable? I study every single day. I become profitable after 2 years of trading. I study every single day, yeah. Profitability, consistency, 2 years. So during those space, I lose funded account, I lose live account. If it's at least like a tuition fee, right? It's part of life of trading. You're gonna lose money on trading. You're gonna lose money. You're gonna cry. You're gonna feel lonely because you're asking yourself why it's not working. The market works against me like that. It's part. But if you don't quit, just hop onto the chart, learn every single day, learn the strategy, learn the skill. Man, eventually after probably 1.5, 2 years, you're gonna be made profitable. I'm not saying I'm a fast learner, but it takes me being consistent. Learning strategy and everything took me 1 year, and those 1 year I got what do you call this? Adapt to the market, collect the data, and use that as a probability, the setup, the entry, and all. And then after that, I become be consistent. Do live stream. So live stream helped me a lot. to become disciplined and patience to the market because I trade with people like you guys. I trade with my pick was 100 subs. I mean 100 viewers in a day. So yeah, that's I become more disciplined and patience to the market. No rushing, right? You don't need to rush things in trading. If you're rushing, you're gonna blow a lot of accounts. You're gonna blow money. Believe me, I've been there. Everyone been there. Every profitable trader right now, you're gonna ask, they're gonna tell you the same thing. You don't need to rush things. You don't need to rush process. How much did you lose? I lose a live account around the 5 to 6K. I keep depositing money, 500, 500, 500, 1,000, withdraw, make profit. During my first, I believe that's called beginner's luck. On my first 6 months, I made around 3 to 4 thousand US dollar, and then in 1 month I blew it all together with my hard-earned money. So yeah, and in funded account I blew a lot, but um, I start with the 15K. Start with the 15K. I blew 15K. I believe 5, 6, 15K I blew in different prop firm, and 25K, 50K, and I pass only 100K in FTMO. That's it. And I never change my prop firm. I stay on FTMO because they pay me nicely. They pay you quick. If you process the reward today, tomorrow you're gonna receive the reward directly to your bank account. So before I become a funded trader in FTMO, I blew 2 to 3 accounts, 100K. Via crypto, it's directly to your bank. It's bank transfer, international bank transfer. But there's crypto option too, but I like the bank transfer, so it will direct to my bank account. Mm-mm-mm. And once once you take back all the loss that you have, no, so now you become profitable because you're making money now. Thank you for being transparent. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the story. That pretty much story of the trader, right? But there's some people right there that are gonna take advantage on you. They don't know how to trade, but they're gonna drop signals, whatever, to scam people, right? So be aware on that. Some influencer that they doesn't know how to trade, they become trader. Name drop? Not gonna. Don't have any idea. Well, but there's a lot in social media right now. You're gonna see. They don't know how to trade, but they don't know how to trade. They went to a different industry and don't know how to trade. Now, saying signal, education. Eight minutes for the candle to close. Goldie, can we close bearish here? So 30 minutes time frame, we need to see this kind of closure. At least, yeah. So a top wick, probably rebroke of the current candle. Boom. We are in the bass, riding down towards to the downside. Trade the risk. Trade the resist. Yeah. So if you are a beginner, take your time to learn. There's too many strategies out there, and it's all, I believe it's all working. The question is how you're gonna work with yourself. How does work if you're gonna use those strategy. So I choose this strategy because it's simply, it's simple. It's a simple, you understand how to read structure, you understand how to read the candles, and you are good. Mark down your levels, wait for the candle to close. We're Gucci. What is your strategy? My strategy is called price action. This strategy has a high win rate but low RR. Yeah. For me, RR doesn't matter because I know how to manage my risk. That's really important thing. That scale is really the important, managing the risk. Because once you learn how to manage your risk, now you're gonna make money. If you don't know how to manage the risk, you're gonna lose money. Two. 6 minutes, gang. So 30 minutes is gonna be close. 15 is gonna be close. Man, we like disclosure. I like disclosure. At least. At least closure. Shout out to 19 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream, alright? Drop a like, subs to the channel, share it with your friends, family that want to learn trading. Just share it, man. Share it. We're near 1K subs. We need just 16 more subs. We need 16 more subs. We need 16 more subs. How long do you trade in a day? For this session live stream, 1.5 to 2 hours. It depends on the market condition. If we got range now, yeah, we might call it stream. Normally in a day, 4 hours. So London session 2 hours, NY session 2 hours, and call it a day. Before, yeah, when I was learning trading, probably I'm on the chart 24 hours. Sometimes not sleeping. I wanna um watch the price. Before I was hop on to the Asian session till New York session. I'm just gonna take a nap during um 3 p.m. Dubai time to 5 p.m. and then hop on again to the chart NY session. But when I learned the strategy, when I have a system, I only hop onto the chart for 4 hours in a day. London and NY Asian session, I don't wanna hop onto the Asian session because it's pretty much 4 a.m. 5 a.m. Dubai time, so I don't want to wake up on those time to look on those trade, and it's not part of my system. It's not part of my trading plan in Asian session. So yeah, pretty much I don't care about Asian session move. Great discipline, yeah. It all takes discipline and patience to the market. When you learn the things, you're gonna be good because they're really important. You have a patience, the discipline. All right, we might have potential here. Let's see here. We need a top wick. We need a top wick and probably current candle low entry here because we got a wide wick, 53 pips wick. So yeah, man. Let's see here, gang. Lock in here. Lock in. We need the top wick here. We need at least grabbing orders right there. Cells are forming, yeah, but we need the top wick. We need the top wick now. No top wick, no entry for me. I don't wanna grab the cells going down without any creating a top wick. We need this. And then move down. Yeah. So yeah, man. Alright, I think this is good. I'm gonna enter on the rebroke of the previous candle low on the 15. So sell stop for me here, not execution sell. All right, sell stop. It was a sell stop, not execution sell. Sell stop. 30 minutes candle low. Current candle probably, yeah. Yeah, I think pretty much good here. Good idea to take a sell here going down. Once we rebroke those low. So sell stop for me, not execution sell. All right, sell stop, not sell now. Sell now is different. Sell stop is different, chat. Okay, so yeah. Pretty much good idea here, man. Once we rebroke this, should push down heavy. Stop loss gonna be 120 pips if we're gonna be activated here. Resistance 4642 probably, or the previous candle high on this 140. Can we activate it here, gang? Can we? Activated. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Goldie, what you gonna do? What's the plan today, Goldie? Start rebroking the high here. I mean the low. See, 5 minute structure here. Look at this. 5 minutes close like this. Yeah. The next five will probably shoot down. That's why I don't want to hop onto the cells pretty much early because this kind of fake out. We might see fake out here. So I always enter on the rebroke of the low. Because once you got a high, let's say you got a top wick, and then you start to flip bearish, rebroking the previous candle low. So this candle has no business to move back up once again once you rebroke this low. If this candle wanna push down. Right? So this candle is starting to hover around here on price like this. And start to move down right first and then flip bullish, starting to hover, didn't want to push down. So right now we're gonna see this probably. But let's see. 8 minutes for the candle to close. So we still have time. 5 minutes look so bullish. Yeah, 5 minutes look so bullish. But it's 5 minutes. You know, don't wanna look at 5 minutes. We're looking minimum 15 minutes time frame. Last 2 minutes of the candles. So the 5 minutes, the last 5 minutes, I probably gonna delete the sell stop. Rebroking the high now. Would you look at that? Crazy, yeah. That's why we like the cell stop, not execution cell. Cell stop. Oh, you are on cells now, or you took some buy? When you delete, I delete. Yeah. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute or the candle close. It's pretty clean to move up here to chat. 270 pip, 300 pip. Your strategy take a lot of patience. Yeah. We're not gonna happen buy now, sell now. No. There's no strategy that gonna tells you buy now or sell now. Mm. So I'm gonna delete the sell stop now, chat. So I'm gonna wait for the candle to close now. It's last 4 minutes of the candle. Patience to the that's why we were friends. Oh, late. If you are patient into the market will always reward you. Believe me. You don't have any patience. You just want to happen to the chart. You just want to take buy, make money. It's not gonna make long term. You're not gonna make money long term. Trading need patience. You need to be disciplined. Trading is a business. We're not gambling here. We're not gambling. We are doing business stops. Mm, 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 mm. No closure. Look at that. No closure. This candle closed like this. Yeah, we're gonna go back, sell stop. Weak bear bullish candle. All right, that's gonna be pretty much good idea here, chat. Yeah. I like this already, gang. I might gonna go back for the sell stop here. Ooh, late candle move. Holy. No, no bottom wake. Look. Oh, chat. Oh, look. Oh my golly. So look, we expect this kind of closure, but man, look at 5 seconds of the remaining candles moved up. No bottom wick. Yeah, 30 looks nice here, but 15 minutes can flip. This 30 minutes can flip bullish now. So yeah, man. 30 minutes looks nice here, but look at this closure. Look at this closure. Look at this no top wick too, man. It's okay, we don't need to have FOMO. No FOMO, no nothing. Just setup is here, right? This is a nice setup, but the entry is not there, right? We don't have any entry here. It's okay. No FOMO. No FOMO. You are short, just hoping it drops. Yeah, good luck, my friend. Good luck, man. Where you took short just now? Yeah, look at that. Flipping bullish now once again. Yeah, this kind of setup is A plus setups here. So expect this to close. Yeah. I probably want to take sells once you rebroke the low here. But no, this kind of scenario must be nice. But look at that. No top wick. No bottom wick. Look at this closure. So the next candle has no range to move down. We might react or we might see this. And we probably gonna take buy there. Clean traffic to move up. 4620. What? Where? Here? Here? Onion? 4643 is nice to take buys too because we have clean traffic here. We just need to wait for the candle to close above. Take buy here. Well, let's see now. Let's see. We might range here because we have unemployment claims later tonight. Let's see. We have still time here. No problem. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Any questions, my friends? Any questions? Nice closure here, man. Holy. Waiting for TP? Yeah, where's your TP? Four, 6, 3, 7. What's that? You're buying or what? 4, 6, 3, 7 is above here. Here. You're buying or selling? Six minutes for the candle to close. Yeah, 30 minutes looks nice here to retest this low. Let's see. That's the 4 hour closure too. We need the top wick to grab a wick fill here. We need this top wick. Minimum. Would you suggest people to watch live stream while trading? Because I think no, it's not gonna mess. It's I've been here streaming for a year now. It helped me to be more disciplined and patience to my strategy. Streaming while people are watching is the next level. Nobody can do that. Very few. If you wanna do it, bro. But don't be scared. If you wanna do live stream, but don't be scared. Don't be scared for the outcome, right? You show up every single day. You wanna do live stream. I show up every single day. Build my patience and discipline to the market, and that's it, right? You answer questions when chat is asking questions. If nobody is asking, you don't need to say anything. You just focus on trading. That's it. And I enjoy live streaming. I enjoy live streaming. Yeah, if you, for example, I start with watching Raja Banks when he's streaming. I start watching Donvo when he's streaming. I learn a lot of things. Learn price action. Learn the trading. I just said earlier that you just need to, if you wanna learn the strategy, you just need to show up in the stream. Minimum 6 months, you're gonna learn the strategy. Damn, move down. 120 pips, 130 pips. Right? The setup is there, gang. The setup is there, but we don't have any entry yet. The setup is here already, but the entry confirmations we don't have. Ooh. Range 2 sells. Let's see here. Range 2 sells. That's the hourly open, 4-hour open too. So it's still interesting here. We need the top wick for range 2 sells here. Yeah, probably gonna take short here. Still have range to move down. We only have 2 candles are closing bearish here. So it's interesting here. We still have range. We just mark this level, resistance form, and move down. Who didn't remove the sell stop? Holy, you are in profit right now. Yeah, he's in profit now. No closure. Can we close below? No closure. Yeah, respecting her. It's overextend. It's not overextend probably. But yeah, there's no closure, so no sells. 180 pips in profit. Yeah, man, you should manage the trade now. You should close. You should manage the trade now. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Man, W's in the chat because the sales there. Holy, didn't get anything yet. Mm-mm-mm. Goldie drop. Can we drop? Rebroke the low here. Drop. Rebroke the low. Should move down. What made you decide? It's a simple strategy. I just, want the simple one. This is simple strategy. You just need to wait for the candle to close, mark the levels, support and resistance, know how to read structure, bearish structure, session trend, and you're gonna be good. Mhm. 9 minutes. Holy. Might push now after we broke those early candle. Dun, 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 dun. Might push down, yes. Yeah, it pushed down already because we rebroke the previous candle low. Doom. You like buys if this candle close above? Yeah, let's see. If this candle close above this. Yeah, I might take that. But not call stream. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. 2 minutes and 30 seconds here, gang. All right. Oh, nice closure on the 15 here to move up, to move back up here, right, chat? Let's see one more rebroke here. One more rebroke, and then probably how many pip we can move up here? 170 pip. Too many wicks on the left. Stop loss is gonna be 62 pips. Mm-hmm. Ooh, move up already. Holy. That quick. 1 minute push, yeah. That quick. See, are you in the trade? I didn't enter a trade here, but it looks nice here to move up. I'm waiting for one more rebroke of the lows here, right? Once you rebroke this and then top probably this 4620, yeah, buy stop on the rebroke of the high. That's gonna be, I mean, the idea for me, but yeah, man. It is what it is, chat. Yeah, it is what it is. Nothing for us today once again here. Yeah, that's the move. You know, that's the move. If you guys took the buy here on the rebroke of the previous candle high, that's the dubs. Right? For me, nothing. It was nothing. Right? I guess we're done so today, chat. Right? I guess we're done so today. So tomorrow, yeah, let's see if we can do the live stream once again because it's Friday tomorrow, right? Too many bank holiday tomorrow. So let's see. Where is that, man? Yeah. Well, I'm probably gonna hop onto the chart tomorrow or Friday or probably NFP. What do you guys think? NFP? Right? NFP tomorrow? Gonna pops up live stream or what? You guys think NFP? Trading NFP tomorrow? Full margin sells? Full margin sells tomorrow, no? Anyways, chat, I'm gonna call it stream here. Thank you, gang, for tuning in to the live stream today. I really appreciate you all, chat. If you guys got the dubs today, W's in the chat. I'm out here, gang. Peace and love.
I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Why you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid